Hi, I'm Julian Sharp and I'm an MCT from the United Kingdom and I specialise in Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform. As you're probably aware, there is a real lack of Power Platform trainers. There's huge demand and I get asked for more training about Power Platform than I can possibly handle. And I really struggle sometimes to recommend people who can take it on because people don't teach Power Platform. And I think it's a real missed opportunity. So what we're doing at the MCT Summit this year is we've got a train the trainer session after the summit for 2 days, where we're going to take you through the capabilities of the Power Platform and how you as an MCT can deliver the Power Platform, the PL100, the PL200, etc. courses. In the first day, it's a workshop to provide you an overview of the Power Platform and give you hands-on experience building apps and flows. We're going to talk about how you create trials, give you an overview of the Power Platform, describe Canvas apps, model-driven apps, Power Automate flows, and also Power Virtual Agents. This will hopefully give you a good understanding of what the Power Platform capabilities are and give you an example to experience the current learning content as well as learn the product. The day two, we're going to switch in how do we actually deliver the Power Platform courses. We'll go through the different courses and the different roles for each course. There's an awful lot of overlap with the Power Platform. So we'll go through the different courses, the PL900, the PL100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. We'll go through how they overlap, who the audience is, what skills you need to deliver them. And then for certain of the courses, the most popular ones, which are the Power Platform Fundamentals, the App Maker, the Functional Consultant and Developer, we'll examine in more detail the overview of the course, who the target audience is, and the expected prerequisites. What sort of students do you get coming on the course? Now, the aim really is for those of you who maybe teach other subjects who want to add more to your portfolio of courses that you teach, because Power Platform touches everything that we do in Microsoft. For instance, with me, when I'm doing Power Platform, it touches over into Azure. It touches over into security and identity. It touches into Microsoft 365. They're all related now, and the Power Platform is expanding across the entire Power Platform Microsoft ecosystem. So therefore, I think it's useful for trainers to add Power Platform to their list of skills that they can teach. And that's the purpose of this course. Hopefully, by the end of the 2 days, you'll be able to understand what you can deliver and maybe then go on to maybe deliver those courses and expand and do more and earn more money. That's the other thing. Power Platform, as I say, is in demand. So rates are probably maybe higher than you might expect. And that's always a bonus. So thank you. Hopefully, let's see you at the summit.